and now it's time to fry. I'm gonna take all of this residual beef fat, call it beef tallow, and the way they used to make candles is with beef fat. So many amazing things that cows are responsible for. Milk, butter, cheese, excellent meat, beef tallow, candles, leather. Now let's take these off to the fridge to let them solidify. And let's put these into the deep freeze to let them solidify. Alright, it's fall time. That means it's harvest time. And that also means it's Halloween time. See what we're doing here? Jack-o'-lanterns, potatoes. An eye that we're going to cut out here. And we'll move on to the other eye. And these little saws work great. And let's move on to the nose. Big smiley face for this potato jack-o'-lantern. Now we've got the corners of the mouth cut out. What we're going to do is core this with an apple corer and go right down through the center. Just kind of rotate it as you go down. Try to get all the way down through the center. And now we'll move on to other potatoes. Got our potato jack-o'-lanterns all cut out and hollowed, and now it's time to fry. 350-degree oil. Be careful, and those can pop right in. And the last one, into the hot oil, this hot cauldron, and we're gonna fry golden brown and let them drain, let all that excess oil drain out of them, and that way they can crisp up. They're nice and soft, they smell delicious, nothing like fried potatoes, right? And this is gonna be an excellent side for what I'm gonna show you coming up. Now we'll stand these potato jack-o'-lanterns up, and I've got some mashed potato that I made from what we carved out of the middle of these, and I'm just going to add a spoonful of mashed potato right down in the bottom, tuck it down in the bottom there, and that is going to hold our candles, and I'll show you how we'll make these candles. We've got mashed potatoes in the base there, and we're going to go on to our next step. All right, our beautiful beef tallow candles are nice and hard, and we're just going to pop them out and then plug them right into our potatoes. Just kind of, and once we light those, that beef tallow is going to melt right into the potato and make it super, super flavorful. And light these right up. Looks beautiful.